Hello and welcome to Open House. My name is Chris Justice. Best way to contact me would be either through the email that you see on screen or through the Canvas inbox, which is an awesome way to communicate with all of the teachers. I have office hours 3 times daily for about 20 minutes starting at 7:40 a.m., 9:40 a.m., and 12:10 p.m. Let's talk a little bit about the biology honors curriculum. We'll start off first with Unit 1 and Quarter 1. We'll get into ecosystems, the components of them, species interactions, and kind of big picture macrobiology. Unit 2, Quarter 2, we'll delve into the chloroplast and photosynthesis. We'll get into cellular respiration and the mitochondria, along with energy and matter cycling through ecosystems. Unit 3, Quarter 3, we'll get into DNA and genetics, patterns of inheritance, heredity. And then finally, we'll culminate the class with Unit 4, Quarter 4, with evolution and natural selection. Students will have an option to take notes either with a physical notebook, a Google Doc, or both. It will be an assignment, though, for students to turn in their notes, like a notebook check traditionally in a traditional classroom. Instructions will be given at a later time. It's important for the student to come to the live session every single day that it's scheduled. If they don't do that, they're missing a big component of the class, which is this kind of live opportunity to interact with the teacher. However, when the student's unable to go to the live session, there will be a videotaped or recorded version of the lecture made available to them through Canvas. The class can be accessed on any web browser using this quick little link here, crjust.us/bio. Type that into any browser anywhere in the world, and you will be brought to the modules for biology honors for my class. If there are any questions, please contact me through the email that you see or through the Canvas inbox, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks.